gonna add some black pepper. Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. Today we have a 1, 2, 3 easy pan oven baked meal. We have some roasted red potatoes. Then we have a pan of veggies and shrimp. Very nice and healthy meal preparation. Super awesome meal prep. Even if you're a busy mother, father, whatever you are, it's doable, it's easy, and it tastes good. We are not skipping on flavor. So yes, let's get into the ingredients. Let's get into the recipe. All right, so we're gonna get started on the potatoes because that takes the longest to cook. And skin on, we're just gonna cut these into bite-sized pieces. Potatoes are cut up. Let's get the oven on. I should have had it on already. I'm gonna drizzle with a little oil. If you have olive oil, that's preferred, but I have vegetable oil. Lemon juice. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, a little cayenne, garlic powder. I'm gonna add some herbs. This is the Italian seasoning blend. Paprika. And the potatoes on this pan. Alright, now I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 until it's fork tender. Alright, so we cut up our bell peppers and then we're gonna cut up some zucchini. Alright, and I'm just gonna cut up some broccoli. Give them a good rinse. Everything is gonna get seasoned and popped in the oven. When I say simple, 1, 2, 3, easy peasy, that's what we're going for. And then we have some mushrooms that we're gonna add to this. I really love mushrooms. And they're good for you, good for inflammation, good for memory. All right, so now that we have all our vegetables in there, we're gonna go ahead and add some oil. Use olive oil, almond oil, coconut oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Salt. We're gonna add some paprika. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna add some herbs, some dry herbs, Italian seasoning blends. Add some garlic powder. All right, so our vegetables are seasoned. We have it on the sheet pan. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right. Then we're gonna go ahead and season up the shrimp. While we season up the shrimp, this will be cooking. Then add the shrimp to it for an additional 6 to 8 minutes, and then this meal will be complete. And add some black pepper, paprika, some cayenne pepper, some dried herbs, Italian seasoning blend, some complete seasoning, add some Jamaican curry, a little bit of regular salt, a little oil, lemon juice, these potatoes out. All right, let's plate up.